Hey there, this is Steve from Stark Web Design and Crushing Marketing, and in today's video, we're going to talk about a lead magnet funnel. We're going to show you what a lead magnet funnel is and the different things you're going to need to be able to create that lead magnet funnel. All right, so let's get to it. All right, so let's take a look at a lead magnet funnel. First, what do you need to create a lead magnet funnel? First, you're going to need a lead magnet, right? Second, you're going to need some form of page builder, some way to build out the pages online so that you can display the lead magnet. You're going to need an opt-in form so that someone can sign up for your lead magnet. And then you're going to need an email autoresponder so that you can actually market to that person that opts in with an email sequence or with additional emails because you want them on your list, right? So the first thing you need is a lead magnet. Well, as you can see with this landing page here and this lead magnet funnel, I'm giving away the content generation cheat sheet, which is a free download. So this is a PDF download. And again, I've had a professional PDF made. I would recommend that whatever you give away, make sure that it has, that's professionally done. And that doesn't mean that you can't do it, but for this content generation cheat sheet, I actually hired a designer to make this. You can find those gigs on Fiverr, and you can get them done fairly inexpensively, and it's worth it to really be able to present a professional lead magnet, something that somebody's really going to want to get and download and give up their name and email address for, because that's really, ultimately, that's what your lead magnet is. It's something that you're exchanging for someone else's contact information, right? So generally, it's a name and email address. So again, that can be really anything you want to exchange. For it could be a PDF download, any kind of digital download that you want to do. It could be a template, it could be a PDF, it could be an Excel file, whatever it is. It could be any digital download. It could be access to a video or a series of videos. It could be access to an audio file. It could be access to a private membership area. But whatever it is, generally it's something free, some free thing that you're going to give away in order to get people to sign up for your list. All right. So in this case, you're looking at the landing page. So there's a couple pages that you need in order to be able to have a lead magnet funnel. All right, and the first page is a landing page. This is a very simple landing page for the content generation cheat sheet here. It just has information. It's a free download. All right, and all they're going to do is click on a button that's going to pop the form, so they enter their name and email address here, okay? And I've just got a little bit of information about who I am, so they have an idea of who this person is that is giving away this content, okay? Once they opt in, they're going to be taken to a thank you page. All right. And again, this is a very simple thank you page congratulating them on getting the content generation cheat sheet, letting them know that it's on its way to their email inbox. And then I have a video here that is just an explanation of what the content generation cheat sheet is. So I just walk them through what that is, and then I have another call to action because I actually use this lead magnet to then introduce my course, which is the Crushing Memberships course. So I have that baked into the video here with a call to action to click the button below so that they can start monetizing their content with my Crushing Memberships course. All right, so those are really the two pages you need. You do not have to, you don't necessarily have to have this thank you page that leads into another funnel, which mine does, or leads into a product offering. It could just simply be a thank you, and getting people on your list so that you can give them more content, and then look at giving them some kind of offer down the road. All right, so those are our first two things: lead magnet, and then a page builder to build out this landing page and the thank you page that we have here. All right. And then that, obviously on that page, we have to have this opt-in form. All right. So we have to have some way to put an opt-in form in here. And whether we use, an all-in-one that has the page builder, has the opt-in forms, and allows us to do email. I use Kartra, and I'll show you that in a second. It's kind of an all-in-one platform where I can build pages, I can use opt-in forms, and it also has an email autoresponder, which is the next piece of this. All right, and that is setting up a sequence that's going to go out once someone opts in and fills out their name and email address. They are automatically emailed that download. Okay, that download could be accessible on the page with just a button that they download. I like to put it in an email so people get used to getting that email, opening it, and then I can send them additional emails. So this email sequence for the content generation cheat sheet has the email that they get immediately after they opt in, which is the actual download of the cheat sheet. And then you're seeing this is kind of the layout of the sequence. So they get the cheat sheet. The next day, I send them something that says, hey, did you get this? And I try to get them to respond. And then in the subsequent emails, I'm giving them a sneak peek of the Crushing Memberships, which is the product that I'm selling, the course that I'm selling. And then I just try to give them additional value and additional information about, my Crushing Memberships course and about content creation. So these are all kind of value-based. They do have calls to action in them to go check out the landing page. And then once they purchase, they're actually taken out of this sequence. But then I can send broadcast emails to them and continue to nurture them on my email list. All right. So again, just to recap, all right, you need a lead magnet. Okay, and whatever that content is that you want to give away, you have to have that. You have to have a page builder, something that allows you to build this landing page as well as a thank you page. You need an opt-in form. All right, you need to be able to put a form on that page that's going to allow people to put their name and email address in so that they can get access to your list and you have access to send them further emails. And then you want to have some kind of email autoresponder where you can nurture that list, send them into a sequence, and ultimately continue to provide them value so that you can convert them from a lead to a customer. All right, so I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, please like, comment, and share. If you have any questions about content monetization, funnels, you can hit me up on Facebook at Stark Web Design. Also, again, I do have a course called Crushing Memberships. That course, you'll see a link down below for that. And I hope to see you in there so that you can learn how to start monetizing your content. All right, thanks for joining me today. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.